Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals, and today I want to show you all how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone with PC or Mac. Whenever one switches from Android to iPhone, almost everyone is looking for a way to transfer WhatsApp data from Android's WhatsApp to iPhone's WhatsApp. But as there is no official way coming from WhatsApp, it's not easy to do it. But hey, there is a solution. And this is what I am going to share with you all in this video. So if you're looking to migrate WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pinned comment to transfer WhatsApp data from old phone to new phone. But before I start, if you're new to WM Originals, do subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And watch this biggest giveaway and tutorial from me at WM Originals for a chance to win $100 Amazon gift card. Now let's begin and know how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone using a PC or Mac. And for this we will be using UltFone Transfer. UltFone Transfer makes WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business Transfer, backup and restore never so easier. It's ultimate WhatsApp transfer tool that allows transfer WhatsApp chat from old phone to new phone. And this is more flexible WhatsApp backup and restore solution than official, as it provides free storage, can restore lost data from old backup, can restore without resetting or uninstalling, and the most important thing, it's safe and efficient. That's impressive. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. Once download completes, click on it to start with the installation. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on it to open UltFone Transfer. Here we have UltFone Transfer, so simple and clean UI to get started with. Here we have many more capabilities of UltFone Transfer, and today I will show how to use UltFone Transfer to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone with PC. But before we start with WhatsApp transfer, let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. Here is my Android phone which has WhatsApp chat with images, videos and voice notes, and this is what I am looking to transfer to my iPhone, and this is my iPhone which does not have WhatsApp activated for now. So now let's see how UltFone Transfer works. Click on WhatsApp Transfer. We are just required to connect our devices through USB. Connected Android phone to computer by USB. Here we need to enable USB debugging and give some permissions. Now see, our Android phone is connected. Next, connected my iPhone via USB. Once both phones are connected, see, we are ready to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. Now that we are ready, click on transfer. And here it mentions our data on iPhone will be overwritten, so we can back up our data. But as we don't have any data on iPhone WhatsApp, we do not need to do anything. Just click on continue. Next we get an option to create a new backup on Android WhatsApp, or can also select a previous backup. Well, you can follow these steps to create a new backup. Open WhatsApp, click on three dots at top and then go to settings. From here chats and then tap on chat backup. It creates a new backup. Now click on continue. It will start getting WhatsApp data from source device, which is our Android phone for now. Now we will be required to verify our WhatsApp backup account. Enter the same number as your Android WhatsApp number and click on verify. Now if your two-step verification turned on, we will be required to turn it off. You can do the same by following this method. Tap on three dots and then go to settings and then accounts. Here we see two-step verification. Tap on it, and if it's turned on, we need to turn it off. Next, click on continue on UltFone Transfer. Now we need to do verification process. Click on continue. Now enter the verification code and then click on verify. It starts verifying. Next, it will start generating data to be restored on our iPhone. Now we will be required to log into WhatsApp on iPhone. Tap on agree and continue. Enter the same WhatsApp number. Confirm the number and then enter the verification code sent on your number. Once it's verified, enter your name and that's it. Now that we have logged in into WhatsApp on iPhone, let's click on logged in. Now we need to turn off Find My iPhone on our iPhone device. Here it mentions all the steps. Open settings and then account and then iCloud. Now here is the option Find My iPhone. Open it and toggle it off. Here it will ask for Apple ID password enter it and now tap on turn off. It will turn off Find My iPhone on iOS device and next click on try again. It will now generate restoration data on iPhone. Boom, that's it. Transfer successfully. iPhone restarts and here we have all our WhatsApp chat being transferred from Android WhatsApp to iPhone WhatsApp. Here we have all our images, videos and voice notes with complete WhatsApp chat history. So friends, this is how easily you can also transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone with PC or Mac using UltFone Transfer. Now you may ask, is UltFone Transfer free? Well, you can surely try it for free, but to transfer complete WhatsApp data, you will require a plan. So now let's talk about UltFone Transfer pricing. Here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plan for UltFone Transfer. Well, it is available for Mac, so you can choose a plan as per your requirement. So affordable and 100% working. We highly recommend it. And if you want to try, find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to WM Originals for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.